Hello there. Welcome to the first ever Food Friday, where I will be taking on different food challenges, food reviews. Maybe I'll even do some cooking myself. We'll see. We'll see how everything goes. But so normally this is going to be something that will be done live on the YouTube. I thought I could do it live tonight. Unfortunately, I I went to go do it live, and turns out it takes 48 hours to get approved when you try to link a StreamYard to YouTube. So here I am. It's not live, unfortunately. I'm still doing the challenge and everything like that. So what I have in front of me is I have 15 of... I told the woman on the phone 15 of the hottest Hooters wings you have. Turns out that is smoked 3 Mile Island, no dressing. So that's what I got from the lovely Hooters waitress. For all hot food challenges, or hot wing challenges, I should say, I will be going by Buffalo Wild Wing rules if the restaurant does not have rules already set in place. Hooters does not. There's no sort of challenge or anything like that. So what that means is I'm actually going to take 3 of these away. I won't be eating 3. Let's put them... Let's see here. Put them off to the side for now. Waste not, want not. I'll eat those later. But so I have 6 minutes to eat 12 wings. Just choosing at random here. I have 6 minutes to eat 12 wings. I cannot drink anything. I cannot use napkins. I cannot debone the wings before I eat them. And I have 6 minutes to do so. So hopefully I have the timer already. Let's see if I can eat the hottest wings. I'm not sure if these are... They don't smell like ridiculously hot, so I'm afraid that the wonderful woman who worked there misled me about these being the hottest wings they have available. But we shall see. These are not like the breaded. These are they're smoked, so they're like skinned, so you can just see their skin, and then they put the 3 Mile Island sauce on it, and they smoke it. So we'll see here. I have 6 minutes, 12 wings. I have my handy beverages ready to go for when I finish, or if I can't finish, and we'll see how it goes. So this is the first ever food challenge here on the Justin Network, we'll call it, the Justin Show Network. It's if there's any challenges or any food related things in the area, like Southern Massachusetts, Rhode Island, even I'll go wherever, honestly, in the Northeast, for food related challenges. Hit me up if there's a really... I would like to focus on chicken wings, but yeah. So just hit me up on Twitter at Trudell_DM. Let me know what challenges you want me to do next. And let's get started here. So just wiping my hands before we start. Okay, so 6 minutes, 12 wings. Cannot use napkins, cannot drink anything. Here we go. Just waiting for 6 to hit. Go. So far, not really feeling the heat. I think that woman lied to me. Three down. On pace. Yeah. This is kind of bullshit. This is a bad start. It's not hot at all. I mean, I'll get through them, but this is just kind of a preview, I guess. Two minutes in. Yeah, these are disappointing. Hooters, I'm a big Hooters guy, but this is not a good look. Halfway through the time, we got 4 wings remaining. So, heat's starting to build up a little bit, but nothing challenge worthy. I mean, like normal hot wings at Hooters are hotter than this. She fucked me. God damn it, Hooters girl. This is not ideal. I'm dipping it in the sauce. Thought I had to eat fast to avoid the heat. Now I just look like an asshole with shit all over my face. I mean, I'm starting to tear up a little bit, but this is honestly embarrassing. 2 minutes left. I got 2 wings to go. I want to complete this. I mean, this is fucking... I'm sorry. You thought I would kick it off with a good one, but there we go. Minute 15 left. I'll wait. I think for the Buffalo Wild Wings, you can't eat or drink anything for a minute afterwards, so I guess I'll do that. I'll talk a little bit. That was embarrassing for Hooters. Not a good look. Got shit all over my face. Coming out of the gate, these aren't hot. Like, I mean, they got some heat to them. They build up, but there's nothing that anyone can't handle. I mean, I'm not even crying here. I'm tearing up a little bit, but it's not a good look. Looking forward to those beers, though. But I'll crush one before the video ends. But yeah, so hopefully Fridays going forward, I'll be eating something. Either a large amount or perhaps I'll do something on Sunday. I don't know, to make up for this because this was not great. But please subscribe when I have a bunch more content like this. You know, me just eating, I guess. But it's... new podcast comes out on Tuesday night on YouTube. Hopefully I have the RSS feed all figured out by then. 1, 0. There we go. Yep, stop. Yeah, this was not a good look for Hooters. We'll see if they can redeem themselves. But yeah, if you know any like really hot wing challenges in the area, Southern Massachusetts, Rhode Island, like I said. Hit me up, put it in the comments, let me know. And next week I want something that will really, put me on my ass. And something that will be, a lot more difficult than what I mean, maybe I'm just a food god, and that's actually the hottest wings they fucking had. It's embarrassing. Should have went down the street to Buffalo Wild Wings, got the blazing. But I thought I'd do something a little bit different. So, I go with the national chains like Buffalo Wild Wings when you can go with a national chain like Hooters. Exactly. So, I don't know, I'll crack open fucking... Chugging this beer is harder than what I just did. But overall difficulty level out of 10, I'd say 1.5. It was very easy. It was kind of disappointed, to be honest. Like I feel the heat a little bit. My lips are getting hot, but it's not anything like holy shit. Like I could. If I had an infinite stomach, I could eat 1,000 of those and keep going, but here we are, so. Thanks for watching. Oh, fuck. Oh, Jesus. Now the heat's coming a little bit, but I should be fine. Thanks for watching, and hopefully next time the food challenge will be better. Food Fridays are not off to a good start, so. Bang, bang. Thank you.